let us look at the electric dipole moment vector. Well, what is an electric dipole? An electric dipole is essentially a positive charge separated by some distance from a negative charge. So this is the configuration. The line joining the two charges is called as the axis of the dipole. The dipole moment vector is the vector that goes from the negative charge to the positive charge, and it is labeled by lowercase p or small p. The distance between the two charges is typically taken as 2d and not only d. Only d is not the distance between the two charges. 2d is taken as the distance between the two charges. Let us look at the SI unit for the dipole moment. Well, the dipole moment vector is defined as P vector is equal to one charge into distance between the two charges, and we can say P cap, where P cap is the unit vector that points from the negative charge to the positive charge. Because this is a vector, we also need to mention the unit vector associated with it. The SI unit of the dipole moment is Coulomb meter. Debye was the scientist who was associated with studying dipoles, and debye is another unit of dipole moment. 1 debye happens to be equal to 1/3 into 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb meter. Now this we will observe is very small, and it is because we usually deal with atomic dipoles. Assuming the proton to be a particle and electron to be a particle, we deal with situations wherein like there is a proton over here, there is an electron over here. The distance between them is very small, and hence the dipole moment is going to be pretty small. So we deal with such situations, and that is the reason why we have a very small unit for measuring dipoles in day-to-day terminology. So 1 dBi is 1/3 into 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb meter.